Been waiting to learn Go High Level. Sana mag-offer ka ng course for this one. Galing mo mag-explain kahit basic and pre-recorded lang. Beke naman. So Mima, I don't have any course and I don't have plans of creating a course about Go High Level. But soon Mi, magkakaroon tayo ng live training. Mas maganda kasi live training kasi makakapagtanong kayo real time. And kung gusto nyo siyang balikan, mababalikan nyo siya kasi recorded naman yung training. And yung paid training na to, hindi lang siya basta-basta training lang, is you will have a full access ng Go High Level account para ma-practice nyo si Go High Level. Kasi naniniwala ako na kahit anong turo ko sa inyo, kahit anong course ang matapos nyo, hindi nyo siya ma-apply kung wala kayong tool. At yun yung pinagkaiba dun sa ibang live training. So dito sa live training natin, magkakaroon kayo ng full access dun sa Go High Level for 60 days. And that's part of what you will pay dito sa training. Okay, marami nagtatanong magkano ba yung aabutin ng live training na to? Mima, hindi ko pa alam, pero hindi siya aabot ng 1,000. Basta affordable lang siya. Okay? So yun lang mga Mi, bye!